Yo, what up? It's your boy APJ. Sorry if I'm tired, wheezy, and I'm breathing a little heavy. Just came from the gym. Quick workout sesh. But today's video, I just wanted to give y'all a little quick rundown about do trade lines actually what? Can't speak English. Trade lines, do they still work in 2025? But let's get into it. Before we start, yes, they do still work in 2025. Again, it's just based on your profile, what you got on there to see also if you have a thin profile. And again, you can't put what they say, you can't put sugar on shit. So you got to make sure that your profile is good. Again, 2 years, a year, 2 years. Credit history, depending on trade lines on your accounts. Again, it has to be primary trade line. So primary trade line is pretty much an account that you open, or for example, I'm gonna give you an example. It is a card that you open up like Discover It or Navy Fed credit card, a secured one. Probably Credit Strong as well too. That's a good one. Who else got one? Oh, you can also do a secured loan. What is it? Secured pledge loan with Navy Federal. So they're hella good too. Again, I have Navy Fed. They're fucking amazing. But if you don't know, now you know. That's an OG in the game for sure. But no, just in the general sense, like you should be all straight once you get that year to 2 years of your own credit history. Again, of your own credit history, not somebody else's, aka like piggybacking or AU, authorized user, which means pretty much someone puts you on the credit profile. Let's say if I put you on one of my cards, it had like 5 years history, perfect payment history, and it got like a $10,000 limit. Of course, I will put you on, but also it shows that it's from me and not from you exactly, that you created that. And so, of course, if you just go to the bank just with that on your profile with shitty credit, I mean, what the fuck do you expect? Yeah, your score might go up a little bit, but what, like, they gonna look at your profile and be like, fuck no, get out of here. Like Amex, fucking Chase, Bank of America, all of them gonna be like, fuck no, you ain't got shit, credit's ass. So what? You got a fat ass credit card with a limit on it that's decent size, which is like 5K and above. You still ain't gonna get shit from us. But they want to see you guys actually do something, actually expand your credit knowledge and history from pretty much the basics, aka having like a secured card, again, from the banks I listed before, for about a year to 2 years. And again, they want to see it from your side, not like a piggyback or a AU trade line that you had got from somewhere else or a different company that's actually not yours. And so that's what makes it a primary. A primary is pretty much a credit card that you personally have opened yourself with I almost said username and password, with your first name, last name, you know, all your personal information, birthday, social, all that fun shit, and you open it with yourself. That's a primary. And then an authorized user is pretty much an account that you didn't open up, and it's an account that you probably bought from someone else, third party, or pretty much got from a friend or a mentor, if the people who are watching have mentors. But yeah, but again, it all depends on your credit profile. It comes down to it. Fuck the credit score. You can have a 700 credit score with nothing but a Capital One credit card that's been open for like 2 months. Like, bro, and you go to American Express, you're not getting shit. You don't got shit. You just open a credit card for 2 months. You had 2 months of good history on the goddamn thing, and you expect to go to American Express and get fucking 10K, 20K swipe? Yeah, you delulu as fuck. Let's back the fuck track, clean up, and again follow the basics. But nevertheless, start with what you got. Do they work in 2025? Hell yeah, they do. Again, it depends on your profile, so don't have a shitty profile. Clean your credit up, rebuild it. Do what you gotta do for that 1 to 2 years. Again, you ain't got fucking You're gonna waste the time anyway. The time is going to pass whether you do good by the time or do bad by the time. It don't fucking matter. By default, that 1 to 2 year time frame will pass. What you do in that, towards that progression, that 1 to 2 year time frame, when you do establish credit and clean it up and do what you need to do, again, you can reach out to me and my company. We got a free credit analysis below. Again, it's again free, because some people are like, oh, I gotta pay for this. No, it's free. Just follow the steps, link, everything you need to know is below. But I just wanted to get on here just to let you guys know real quick, to double check to make sure you guys are aware that authorized users and primary trade lines do work in 2025. Again, it depends on your profile and what you got on there. You should check your profile out, see what you got, download your link, do what you gotta do, check the reports. and then go from there. If you guys got any questions or anything you want to see from me or see a video from me, just in general credit suggestions or videos, I will gladly make a video for you guys. Just put that shit in the comments below. I'll work with me and my team, and then we'll get that shit out to you guys right away. But again, before we sign off, free credit analysis below. Just go click the link below. I got all the links below in the description. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Oh, before I let you guys go, I appreciate everyone who did submit something for the ebook. I appreciate you guys and the information. We're also working on a school community for you guys. We're gonna pretty much make a school community about you guys, pretty much what you want to talk about. It doesn't matter, general area, and also the products that me and my team have created for you guys, plus the ebook, the course, the PDF files. We're also working on the video course for you guys as well too. We're also working on getting more content for you guys inside the community. It's updated pretty much whenever we get new updates for any information. All the credit letters and everything you need are in the school community. Again, we don't have anyone in there. We just started it. So again, beware while we are growing and doing what we do. I love all of you guys. And APJ signing off, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.